You did you.
So you fucked the nigga.
I did me because you did you.
So you fucked the nigga.
Whatever. Whatever.
What you
Leave
mean
it alone.
whatever?
Leave it alone.
So you fucked the nigga.
Leave it alone.
So you fucked the
Leave it
nigga.
alone. Leave it alone.
So you fucked the nigga.
Okay, yeah, and I did. I did. So what? What we gonna do now?
So why you keep saying leave it alone? What else you did?
Leave it alone.
What?
Leave it alone.
What you sucked the nigga dick?
Whatever. Like, come on, please.
What you sucked? You sucked the nigga dick.
That's a part of sex, right? That's a part of sex. You know that.
You sucked the nigga dick.
Yeah. But I couldn't even do it for that long because his dick was too big. So
Bitch,
you making
you
a big
motherfucking dick
deal out of
sucker.
it.
You sucked the nigga dick.
Please stop, because you cheated on me first. So stop it. Stop it.
You sucked the nigga dick.
I know you're not over there crying right now.
You sucked the nigga dick. I'm hurt right now, man. Fuck.
You're hurt.
You sucked the nigga dick.
You're
You fucking
hurt.
dick sucker.
Hurt?